Hi, Mark Leibman here with another episode of Clients. You know what I'm talking about. Today, nothing succeeds like success. The world is full of advice, from self-help books to listicles and everything in between. By the way, check back next week for our post, 48 Ways to Know That You're Blowing It. Just kidding. A lot of this content does focus on what to avoid. Learning about common mistakes sounds logical enough, but we're also contrarians, so we've been thinking about this for quite a while. This is the model that's just about always been used in our schools and our pastimes and our jobs. Our work is returned to us with the errors marked so that we can correct them, review, and push on. When a team loses, even by a small margin, the plays get scrutinized so the team can learn from the defeat. That makes a certain kind of sense. But there could be millions of ways to mess something up. More attractive, however, is the shorter list of ways to really shine at something. How often do we stop to consider what went right? We suggest we should be learning from our successes too. Was this success a win or a fluke? What made this company a strong one? Which details ended up mattering the most? These are just a few ideas because goodness knows we don't need any more lists about how to not get it wrong. We'd like to focus more on how to get it right. Clients, you know what I'm talking about. Stop in and see us at 228main.com, online or on Main.